Hi everyone, welcome to Miss Chinese Food. I'm Jack. Today we will learn how to make Chinese steamed chicken with cordyceps flour. Let's start. Firstly, we should immerse cordyceps flour and Shen. We use 10 gram cordyceps flour and 10 gram Shen for this food. We need to immerse them for 10 minutes, then drain and save them for later. Next, we should prepare some ingredients. Firstly, shred 3 slices of ginger, save them for later. Second, cut 2 red dates and denucleate. Then cut them into small pieces and save them for later. Fine mince 1 bunch of green onion. Save it for later. Now we should wash and cut the chicken. We use 500 gram chicken for this food. After wash it, cut it into small pieces. Please don't cut it into bigger pieces, that will make the chicken hard to cook. Then save it for later. Next, we should marinate chicken. Add 1 teaspoon salt, half tablespoon cornstarch, half teaspoon lighter soy sauce into the chicken. Then add cordyceps flour, Shen, red dates, ginger into the chicken. Stir them evenly. It can help the chicken to absorb the ingredients' taste. Then marinate them for half hour. After half hour, we can steam the chicken. Firstly, add 1 teaspoon peanut oil to the chicken. Stir them evenly and save them for later. Second, add some water into the pan and use a bigger fire to heat it. After the water boiled, put the steamer into the pan, and then put the chicken on the steamer. Use a bigger fire to cook it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, sprinkle with onion. Then we got the delicious Chinese steamed chicken. Please don't cook it a long time, that will make the chicken older and hard to eat. The chicken is so fresh and tender that we don't need to cook it a long time. It also has the scent of cordyceps flour. Okay, that's our Chinese food today. If you like our video, please subscribe to us. If you have any problems, please leave your comment below. Thanks for watching. See you next Chinese food. Bye.